Hello, robot. What are you doing today? Are you going to use a trumpet to make a funny noise? What loud trumpet, robot? Are you okay, robot? Yes. I think I need a rest. Hello. Look. Hello, Mum, Kai's mum. You love balloons on your head. Doris wants to look at the balloons on my head. I know. Let's see. What's in the comments? There's a cake with 6 candles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caillou. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Caillou, you can blow your candles. Hooray!
Once upon a time, in the night garden. Robot's trumpet make a funny noise. Then, bop, bop. What's that funny noise? Asked Derek Jacoby. It's Macapaka playing a trumpet. What a loud trumpet and funny noise, Macapaka. Go to sleep, Macapaka.